Okay, thanks for watching. Now in this video I'm going to talk about a very powerful little feature that LeadsLeap allows us to do. Rather than trying to explain it to you, it's really powerful just to have a look at it right now. Check this out. I've got a link, a special link that you can create inside the back office of LeadsLeap. Check this out. When I hit enter of this link, okay, it's going to load. First of all, this is, you can create like splash page parts. Yeah. Okay, this is just a normal website that I'm loading here. But notice the bar at the top here. Also the pop-up just came up. All right. And also the ad bar came up. All right. So now let me explain. Actually, let me load it again. So basically, what you saw here, guys, is first of all, when I loaded the page, this is a page of my own. Okay, I can load any page I like in this way. You saw a bar at the top here. Okay, you saw what we call a bar here. Okay, page bar, whatever you call it. You can customize that. You can do countdown timers. This is just to give people kind of an alert. I'd call it an attention bar. Show people something that they can take action on. I personally chose to do a countdown timer, but you don't have to. You can let it stay up there for a long time. It just creates urgency about if you've got an ad, if you've got something to promote. And you can put this onto any page, any affiliate page, any company that you're working. If you're part of a network marketing company, you can put pop-up windows on any business or as you choose. Okay, so let me just show that again. Refresh the page. You can control this splash screen, this white blank splash screen if you want. You can control this bar at the top here with the countdown. If you don't want the countdown, it's up to you. You can do the ad here, and when they click it, they go to your your offer. Also, if I just leave the page, if I put my mouse, you see where my mouse is? If I just move my mouse out of the page, this is what happens. This is what comes up. All this is created inside your back office of LeadsLeap. Okay, you've always got a second chance to grab their attention, to give them something so that they don't leave empty-handed. Okay, if they're going to move away and they're leaving your website, you've got one more chance to grab their attention, to offer them something, get them onto your mailing list, whatever. And also you can put this ad here. All of these are optional, but if you have an ad that pops up here with some offers and they click it, you earn credits. Okay, so and apparently you actually earn money with it as well. So putting your ads on the page and stuff like that, and if they click stuff or they interact in some way, one way or another, you're going to get some benefit. Okay, so now how do you do all this? This is really powerful. We've got so many different tools in the back office here. So let me just share with you our trackable links. Now there are so many different things you can do with this. You get this link cloaker. Okay, so you can even post stuff on Facebook and get away with it. All right, if your links are blocked on Facebook, or if your links are blocked anywhere, you can mask your URLs and send them out there. Okay. The other thing is that you can also do some special tracking. Okay, you can put special tracking at the end. So for example, this is my actual link. Okay, and if I paste that in there and I put a little sub, what do you call it? You know, a slash at the end, and then I put, for example, Facebook ad or something, and I click enter. That Facebook ad there will get tracked. Okay, so it means that you can control and you can see how well your particular ad with that label there is performing, and you'll be able to see that in your back office as how how it's been able to track and perform. Yeah, so here's where you check everything, and you can click edit, and you can control all the little aspects of this. For obviously, pro members can control the custom URL string. Okay, you can just put your URL where you're targeting. Okay, and here is the splash screen. You can even probably put a link in there, I suppose, or don't even have it at all. So if you just select none, they don't even see that. Okay, for some reason it's not. My computer's not responding. Oh, there it is. You can control and insert an ad bar. Okay, so you can create an ad bar. You can change the color. If you want to put a different color, you can do that. You can optionally have a pop-up. Notice my exit pop-up. So you can control any number of pop-ups. Okay, and then choose which pop-up you want to use for that. You can also monetize, which means it says here, add a leased ad space. LeadsLeap ad to make money when people click the ads. So you're going to be able to potentially make money when people click the ads. You can show ads after 10 seconds, or no, or private only. Okay, so you can show the ads in wherever you want, like on the left or the right. You can have it as a responses. In other words, it'll show up on a mobile device looking nice as well. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, you create your pop-ups separately as well, and you can also put pop-ups on different pages. You can do all kinds of things. So you can create those separately or add them into this section, and then click save, and you can preview your ad. Hold on a minute. Okay, so let's have a look at it now. So notice the splash, the preview didn't turn up this time.
Okay, what we're seeing here, ladies and gentlemen, is we're seeing a system, a viral system that's connected up with a global.
Because I switched it off. The ads come, but you can also switch off the ads as well. But this is an opportunity to make money. The ad bar just closed as well, and the pop-ups there. So I changed it to blue, if you saw. You can do split testing. You can check your stats and see how things are performing. Notice I created a tag, and that's where you see the tag, and you can see where how it's performing. So the total clicks, that was me who clicked on that. So you have full stats in here, ladies and gentlemen. This is really, really good, because normally you have to pay for this kind of stuff. You'd have to pay for link cloaking. You'd have to pay for putting ads and pop-up windows and doing pop-up creations and all kinds of things. You'd have to pay for that separately. But this LeadsLeap has it all built in. So it's really nice. You can do traffic rotators if you want to do a traffic rotator for your team. Set that up there. You can do ad bars like I just showed you. So I've got an ad bar there. Yeah, so I've already added that ad bar. So you can paste that onto your own links, or create tracking links. So the tracking link will work for any company. This tracking feature here is brilliant, because no matter what website you already have, okay, if you have an MLM company and you've got a page that's been provided to you, to your team or whatever, you can put this on you can use this with any company, any link. Okay, so like I say, all you have to do is to simply put the company URL. Okay, maybe it's a URL of a particular company. So let's go and look for something such as, let's say, for example, I'm going to promote my Paraiba business. So with the downside about Paraiba is that it doesn't actually have an actual page, all right, for affiliates to share out. We just log in. So for those of you who don't know what Paraiba is just my company I'm promoting, and I'm just doing this as an example, and I'm going to grab my link to promote. We don't actually have a landing page that we can use. Okay, here it is. So if I'm going to grab my link, okay, I'm just going to log out. And if I put that in the URL, so it's a sign-up page, just a simple sign-up page. We don't actually have a proper explanation, a kind of a full-blown page or a sales page or anything like that. It's just a direct link to a sign-up page. Okay, so but what you can do with LeadsLeap, if I go back to LeadsLeap, you can put the sign-up page in there, and then you can have, for example, yeah, well, anyway, I'll just leave it like that, change the color, whatever, I don't know. But then if I save that, and I go back to this page, so now what we have is we have the sign up form, but we've also got a bar here where you could put, for example, learn more about this company, for example, learn more about Paraiba, and you could click that and it'll take them to a video and they could learn more. You can also have that pop-up that comes. See, there's the pop-up, okay? It could say, for example, wait, before you go, we have a special offer for you. We have a marketing system that will help you promote this business, or just a video here just to tell them about the company, okay? So, and the great thing about trackable links like this is you can change the link anytime you want. If your company goes down or something happens to that particular page, you need to change it, your actual link will stay the same, but you can just change this URL anytime you want, and your traffic will just be automatically diverted to the new page, okay? And you can change your ads anytime you want. It's totally up to you. So yeah, I think that the services and the tools that we have in LeadsLeap is absolutely fantastic. The way they integrate into literally anything that you're doing. These guys really have figured out how to help internet marketers like us, and I just love these tools. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next training. Bye for now.